Sola we are aware that we are gathering, but we get you report, and eventually you have made it. Thank you for the commitment and the support. So it is my pleasure to officially invite you and talk to the members who are here. And thereafter, you ably close the one-day workshop. So, this global government and partner associates. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. The chairman of Toma District, the executive director, what do you call yourself? The director, Partner Associates Limited, district councillors. Sorry, I had not seen the vice chairman. Vice chairman, district councillors, and all of you, when are ready, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It's actually good evening.
Good evening.
Can I start with ability? Really? Because I think education. Kuba kusomera mu population nareba mu nekintu ky'omuhendo munonga kugira kwatunga obusomo. So okugira ngo abantu bake kikyatukola ki konka nabibuli negira mu bingi nibetwa konka bake nibo bari kutoranwa bwenimwe abatorinwe kumuratwara enjiri abasoma kumuratwara enjiri byabajuri yazikwa kutwara habura n'abandi batwara uko enjiri neja kutera yera kusema partner associates abateekateekera ekintu eki bakeisha chairman yagira ngo bashirire sente zabo bagira materials ekyo actually nabanyenda kukibuza kuko nabanyenda kubuza ngo under 2.2 it is the project that this project is aimed at enhancing skills. So nabanyenda kubuza are there funders from outside aho abantu abamwe sebo wati nabagenda bakozesa abanyarwanda batunga sente y'ekuria bija bazikozesa okuba zikozesa then tukumanya whether you have funders from elsewhere, in which case we want also you to account to us. Because if it's the project working amongst us, then we need also to audit you. Even before I know the details, we want to say thank you for having the initiative to come. Most of the time, they don't know that as leaders they need to account to the people. And accountability does not even mean in terms of money. Almost every weekend in here, they have the concern. So, but at least I have fulfilled that. I have done it. I tried. So that kind of accountability. No one audits me to say, Parliament used to give constituency development fund. Konka za kabamemba wa Parliament umuzu. Okushanga hari motoka arira umumwara. Ondizo mwana wa school fees etaro milioni kutoshanga zawa. Ochikakurira mutereza accountability shi eraro kanga. So abamwe bakabasiba mbere twabo Parliament ya mwenda twagira umwanya wokusuga no gusente zirerera. Konka nyorya kirango zejabo kwani manyangu bakwasa milioni za 10. Ni goromu muhango especially ombachara abantu Toma district. Mukamwe mukwe byagenze bityo so esente sanko kuwa zirachiko kuwa zitunga but esente ya government nesente yo musoro. When you are given responsibility over these resources, no they kumanya first and foremost that you are a servant of the people. You hold that office by virtue of the power of the people who go after you. To put your man, what has always a feeling, I want to feel. Now, essente wazitunga wadira obuvunaanyizibwa obwo notemubulira bamusente zakora ekigendererwa kyazo zakitiza ekigendererwa kyazo that it has done what it is supposed to do. Nangwa chairman yagira ngu what matters is the outcome. No, it must be traced zagenda ziti. That's why government has the PPDA law, the public procurement of public assets. Initiate a request abakuru bagirabemu authorizing eguroza kore bitugishitire obakesende ogendo bikore obijoyo lekesente zokuzagenzire emirundi emingi nimukwata sente mugenda muzikozesa ebizakorana ngwa bibabiro. But because you have no evidence of how the money was used, bakutira musente okaziki. So chikwenda kugamba bita mukwanyi yako ebyona mwabishoma. When it is public funds, you must always make sure that it is backed by evidence, by receipts. No. Be genuine. We want to develop zero tolerance for corruption. If you decide in your heart that you will be a person of integrity, God gives you the money that you need without laboring much. For you to elewa what I'm holding in my hands, or the but it is very important that when we are given responsibility, we expend that responsibility with high level of integrity. And money, the use of money, it is just an example because it can easily quantify in the public. So we must make sure that we always have accountability. Actually, as civic leaders, to teach our people. First of all, of course, by example, because you cannot give what you don't have, and you cannot teach the children to develop zero tolerance for corruption when you yourself are not living that gospel. So, so live by example. Be a person of integrity in everything that you do. In a position of responsibility, no yet one Gorgamba was the Amarwa, was the Kwanama Baba and D. I won't go to your Hari. Be a person of integrity. Tino Yamotan Mar, Ponga, and one or your body, that's what they don't be low. No job, let me tell you the women who are here. When I think it was the time I started working for State House. Previously, I was working with government departments and I was also growing this integrity within myself. But when I started working for State House, I said, Joe, I'm not going to be seen out. Because you know the things that are associated with just going outside far. Information that you can get, if this is a No, but let me tell you, you must grow the integrity within yourself and out of self-determination. With me, I'm going to be this image of the leader. And so that when you told people, they will say, yes, she has lived it, and we know it is doable. Then, after that, teach our children to develop zero tolerance for corruption. Why? omwana w'ishomero wakwemerera omubagenzi akabagangira ati neonyeza kubakoroga munitaniza kugira nti obwa prefect bakamuhereza akalulu ati nawo abaana bito mu mashomero biine kugura omululu tukorera mu kigire hari so injira nyemwe mubireba kandi muri abaziye let us try if it is possible let us make Bungoma a model district. Now when Councilman Kadijo chairman because he has been at the forefront of fighting corruption. Mumutero Munga. Yeah, I'm very much mwenda abiyakuna. Omwana mama zima. Mama kubara bakugezete za government ziye ezokugura embazi ziye zokukora make sure that those services are provided. So ingenda kubasima imwaba chabija wao kwa pendinga workshop eji injira mayenga bingi but really I am happy that I have managed to come because this issue of corruption corruption begins with you, integrity begins with you, and they say integrity is what you do when no one is looking. What do you do in your home? What is it you teach your children? No, yeah, you say no. I let us out. You don't do that. Now, one of them, you know, fitting and then kapurakan umuka, or you know, erasing and not figure as this thing. So let us try and develop zero tolerance for corruption. There are accounting procedures to use. Let us make sure we follow them. Government has done its duty to put those in place and guidelines. Let us follow them. But above all, decide that you will be a good person. Because if you are a good person, you trust God. For me, I know, God is in control of my life. God is in control of my life. God is in control of my life. And whether I have food or don't have, God is in control. So, that faith, determination, a good person, to be good to others. There is no need at all to shangawara esenti za government na wafara esenti za land. Happens in age. When you know you want to be a person of integrity in the office, Necha karozo microfinance or Musayo Sente, we are not sure. Mujenzi wawe ominya shilingi 10 tu pereza kureshi nechi Necha karozo mbukana olevo. Those are the levels of integrity you must do. Actually, what helped me in the government was when people would come and give jackets on their chairs. Or someone asked for a vehicle, where are you town or Rambiaza Masa? And Zamasa Homu or Rambiazo. I think when you use that, when I shall look upon Mizanti that, Naika Mizan Toma, the night of the room, then what do I say? So to make the Rapa and a home, according to the showed me. With those few words, Chairman, yeah, but and then maybe finally to be innovative. To be innovative so that the resources that we have at our disposal. But you think for them. You think for them, you advocate for them, then you overturn resources in our hands. So let us always try and be innovative, think of new ways of doing things. Kandi chindi ebitaro byona tukira MP where in the government. Let us all take responsibility. Let us all try as much as we can. Let us all try and be people of integrity and have transparency in everything you do. Because this is government resources. They have done what it was supposed to do, and at the end of it, you get your pay. With those few words, I want to congratulate you on coming safely to the conclusion of this day that I regard very, very important in the history of this district of yours, to sit here and learn about accountability and transparency. You must also be able to account to yourself as an individual. Yes, it is very important. You must be able to account to yourself. I woke up this morning, I tried to do ABC, I intended to do ABCD. Sit at home in the evening. What is it I have managed to do? I had so much money in my pocket. What have I done with this money? That's how we will develop. Those few remarks, I have the pleasure to declare this workshop closed. Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you.
Thank you, dear Honorable MP. We are indeed honored that you could make this answer. When the cow moved out, when I wanted you to say one word or two. I don't know if it is in order. It is not in order. Okay, then we will leave it at that. I just have one question for you, Honorable. I don't know if it is okay for me to ask. We were discussing about the issue of holding accountable the people who are actually discovered in acts of corruption. And we are asking, as our MPs, what are you doing about that law that is supposed to make people personally accountable so that their assets can then be used to pay back public money? Is there any progress, or is there anything that you will think about?
This law, I think, was tabled. It's a private member's bill. It's coming as a private member's bill. The amendment, the bill is in, the law is in place. The Anti-Corruption Act is in place. But we want to make amendments, as he's saying, to make people who are found to take public resources, to hold them accountable. Most especially so that those resources can be recovered from them. Abu Bahati Ugeka providing for recovery, except in a few cases. You'll be glad to know that yesterday I was in Kamuli with the Legal and Parliamentary Committee, which is chaired by Kashodia of Kajara, and we were looking at this proposed amendment bill. So we have finalized it. We are making our report, and in a very short while, actually before we even go on recess for Christmas, we will be discussing this bill, and we think that it will pass. To hold people accountable, one interesting thing that we are recommending, which you should be on the lookout for, no back suspecting and sending, maybe which you cannot account for. You will call about how to join them when they check a water why don't they can 3 months? Government should confiscate that property until you prove that it is yours. We are putting that provision there. Provision is the just covering most especially our Shabura. Never can tell us here we have. Otaka tree, government, the real video, then over something. To Chibiletis, our mother and Bajan, government is kind of quality to Java and to just anyhow, Amate Kakitin to Gareva, or good police confiscating getting to after 2-3 days, but those it's the and indeed, Parliament may not be discussing now, but answer your question directly, tunaweza kuisha parliament na wiko tu and then tufanya mtu za kupasi.
Thank you so much. I think that would be the best Christmas gift that we can receive. You know, last year they promised us a Christmas gift, which we did, but of course we know that we did. So I hope this time you give us a very nice Christmas gift. We appreciate it. Colleagues, thank you so much for taking time and being with us today. The workshop has officially been on, but there is a small cup of tea outside. You can take at leisure and you can stay around and network. But thank you so much. The evaluation forms, please hand them.
Martin, someone was asking